cabinet light broke and the technician said the only solution was to take the cabinet apart. Luckily, I had a backup plan. Remember to like and follow. Next time you're installing cabinets, you can try this. My cabinet only needs one LED driver. And you just plug each crystal connector into the light strip. No soldering needed, just plug and play. The light strip can be easily attached and cut as needed. Cut as much as you need. It lights up evenly, with no dark spots. If you want something more advanced, you can add a motion sensor switch. The light turns on when you open the door, and off when you close it. If your lights break, there's no need to take apart the cabinet. Give it a try if you'll like it.